equipment broken down? Are you looking for equipment repair services right now? Equipment Services specialise in a full range of equipment support services right across Brisbane, the Gold and Sunshine Coasts. Our team takes care of breakdown repairs and maintenance of your valuable equipment and machinery. We also sell, service and repair Wacker Neuson, Crommelins Machinery and Wagner equipment, so you don't have to rely on the manufacturers for equipment servicing and repairs anymore. Our team of technicians, engineers and mechanics are ready when you say go. We can pick up your equipment from you to save time and even perform on-site repairs if you need us to. We'll get you back to work as fast as we can, so there's no more downtime costing you money and precious time. And you can book your busted equipment in for repairs at a time that suits you, all from your mobile phone, tablet or computer. It only takes 30 seconds and is so simple. Try our online booking system now by visiting equipmentservices.com.au. Well, what are you waiting for? Equipment Services, it's what we do.